Hello, my name is Laura. I'm going to start by explaining the difference between decanting and aerating a wine. To decant a wine is to separate it from its sediments. This is done in wines that have spent a lot of time in the bottle. In these cases, salts, tannins, and coloring matter precipitate and form the sediments. On the other hand, aerating a wine is just transferring it to another container in order to allow the aromas to open up and the wine to express itself better. This is done with young, concentrated, and tannic red wines and with evolved white wines. In the case of white and red young wines that are not very complex, there is no need to aerate or to decant them. Well, now I'm going to do the decanting process. For that matter, I have all the elements I need here in the mise en place. I have a bottle of wine, a cradle, a decanter, a candle and matches, a tasting glass, 2 coasters, a napkin and a corkscrew. I will start by putting the bottle in the cradle. I have to do this with very gentle movements and maintaining the bottle all the time in a horizontal position so as not to disturb the sediments. Then I'm going to cut the capsule with the foil cutter of the corkscrew. I have to take the bottle very firmly with the other hand. After removing the capsule, I have to wipe the mouth of the bottle with a napkin. Then I'm going to proceed to open up the bottle by removing the cork with the corkscrew. I'll take the cork out with the napkin. Turn to the side and sniff the cork in order to be sure that the wine is healthy. Then I take the cork from the corkscrew and put it in one of the coasters. And wipe the mouth of the bottle for a second time. Now I'm going to pour a liter of wine into my tasting glass. I do this without taking the bottle off the cradle. I turn to the side again and smell the wine. To be sure that it has no problem. There aren't any problems in this wine, so I will proceed to wine wash the decanter. Then I pour the wine into the recipient and move the wine inside it, and then pour the wine back into my tasting glass. Now I have to light the candle. And then I will proceed to transfer the wine into the decanter. To do that, I take the bottle out of the cradle and transfer the wine very slowly into the decanter by watching from above the bottle and the light. Then that helps me to see when the sediments reach the shoulder of the bottle. When that happens, I'll stop transferring the wine. I'll put the decanter on the table again. I'll wipe the mouth of the bottle and put the bottle in the other coaster. And to finish, I just have to put out the candle. Well, that was all. Thank you very much.